Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a Yamaha XT250, and today I'll use it to demonstrate the FuelPaX 1.5 gallon gasoline container and mount. FuelPaX is owned by RotoPaX, which is the company that usually comes to mind when I see these things bolted to the back of a Jeep at the mall. Despite the two different names, they have some major similarities. Both brands of fuel containers are stackable. Both brands work with RotoPaX or FuelPaX mounts. Both brands claim to be leak-proof, and both brands are made in the United States. So what's the difference? Well, it took me a while to find the answer to that question, but here's what I gathered from the RotoPaX website. FuelPaX containers are manufactured through a blow molding process, while RotoPaX containers are rotationally molded. Because of that, FuelPaX containers only carry a 5-year warranty, while RotoPaX doubles that with a 10-year warranty. And finally, FuelPaX containers come in 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and 4.5 gallon sizes, while RotoPaX gasoline containers are offered in 1, 1.75, 2, 3, and 4 gallon sizes. Regardless of which one you choose, their website says the containers must be vented at least once a day, or with every 10-degree change in temperature, and every 1,000 feet in elevation change. The mounts come with all the hardware needed for attaching to a flat surface, and the only tools I needed were a 1/2-inch wrench and a 7/16 inch wrench. The mount is available in a version with a lock, but I got a model that doesn't have a lock. I don't need a lock personally, and I've read online that a lot of people have had trouble with the versions that lock. Tighten the lower handle until it slips over these two bumps on the container. Then tighten the upper handle until it snaps onto the lower handle. A lot of people seem to complain about the self-venting spout that comes with the canister, so I made sure to try that out too, and it didn't go so well at first.
Oh my gosh, what a piece of shit.
I can see why people don't like this spout, and why it's popular to replace it with a normal one, but once I got it attached and figured out how it worked, I actually kind of liked it. I think it will just take some getting used to, but I won't hesitate to replace it with a regular spout if this one gives me too much trouble. Overall, I'd rate the FuelPaX fuel container a 4 out of 5 because although it's easy to mount and has a very useful design, I really would have preferred a standard fuel spout over the finicky venting one, and for a slightly higher price, I could have purchased the RotoPaX canister with an extra 5 years of warranty coverage. I've been making all kinds of videos with this motorcycle, including one on the rear rack, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.